Hello, we are cutie kids.
Gina the giraffe was the tallest in the savanna. She could reach the highest leaves, but sometimes she felt different from the other animals. Why am I so tall? She wondered. Her friends were shorter and played games she couldn't join. She wished she could fit in. One day, a little rabbit named Raffi hopped by. "Oh no! My kite is stuck in the tree," he cried. Gina looked up. The kite was tangled in the branches. "I can help," she said. Stretching her long neck, she gently pulled the kite down and gave it back to Raffi. A tiny bird named Lila chirped sadly. "The wind blew my nest away." Gina felt sorry for her. "I can help," she said. Using her height, she placed twigs high in the safest tree. Lila was happy. "Thank you, Gina." "Your height is amazing," she cheered. Max the monkey frowned. "Someone took my bananas." Gina spotted a pile hidden behind bushes. "Look over there, Max," she said. Max smiled. "You see things we can't, Gina? You're special." Gina felt warm inside. Maybe being tall wasn't so bad after all. Toby the turtle wandered far from his pond. "I'm lost," he whispered. Gina stretched her neck and spotted the pond in the distance. "Follow me," she said, guiding him home. "You saved me, Gina. Your height is a gift." Toby cheered. Gina beamed with pride. Dark clouds gathered and rain poured down. Small animals shivered in the cold. Gina spread her long legs and bent her neck, creating a dry space for them. "You're like a big umbrella." Raffi laughed. Everyone felt safe under Gina's gentle care. The animals gathered. "Gina, you've helped us all," Lila chirped. "Being tall makes you special," Max added. Gina smiled. She no longer wished to be shorter. Instead, she felt happy knowing she could do things others couldn't. She had a special talent. From that day on, Gina stood tall and proud. She helped her friends whenever they needed her. She learned that being different wasn't bad. It made her unique. As she watched the sunset, she knew one thing for sure. She was special just the way she was.